Welcome to this demo on Tosca's data integrity. Today we're going to have a look at an example using Snowflake's time travel. Tosca data integrity is a layered approach to data warehouse testing, identifying issues as early as possible with end-to-end testing across all data landscapes. More and more companies are planning or already in progress of migrating their on-premise solutions to cloud-based providers. Snowflake offers a number of features including time travel. And when it comes to data warehouse testing, analyzing data usage over time can be very useful. Tosca data integrity works with all Snowflake instances and is perfect for leveraging these time travel features and analyzing data. So here's my example for today, and let's have a look at Snowflake's time travel functionality. Here we see Tricentis Tosca, and we have my data integrity tab. We can use a series of wizards and out-of-the-box models and templates to create all the required tests needed throughout your data warehouse. First, let's have a look at our Snowflake instance. And here you can see I have all my data set up. If we look at this particular table and I run my query, you can see for this particular column where it says measure response, the value is not available. I'm going to run a query now to change the state of this data. If I run the same query again, you'll see it's now changed to yes. Using Snowflake's time travel functionality, I can go back in time up to 90 days. I'm choosing 5 minutes for this instance. Now you can see if I go back in time 5 minutes, I can see the not available data in this column. Using Tosca's out-of-the-box reconciliation model, we can set up tests to look at current and past tense data. In my example today, if I expand this, go to my time travel with Snowflake test, and go to this particular step, you can see my test has already been set up. I'm connecting to my Snowflake instance with my out-of-the-box connections, and we can run the queries that we saw in Snowflake directly within Tosca. Here we have the SQL editors from source to target, where we can check the data in advance and make changes, and this will be automatically updated in my test case. We can produce an easy-to-read HTML report for any data changes. So if we run this query from current state to past state, and I run this test right now, I will go to my report section, and we will see the report generated after the query has run. If I open up my report, we can see a summary of what happened and all the different types of errors that can occur. In this instance, we ran the test from current to past tense, and it's identifying what the data currently is and what it was 5 minutes ago. And we can easily filter by columns that were affected, showing only the measure response column, and display sets of data. That was just one example of how Tosca data integrity can work with cloud-based providers out there. Thanks for joining. If that was interesting to you, please reach out to our team for our full capabilities in data quality testing.